Welcome back to Learn with Miss Bzik. Today we're going to learn how to change the icons or the thumbnails for different videos to a picture that you want. I love Macs. I love PCs. I use them both. My district right now is a Mac district, so I'm showing you shortcuts on Mac systems. Often we have lists or we might want icons of our videos. Here is how you move those around. You can highlight them. You can move them wherever you want. You can readjust them. You can even put them out of order if you want to. And when you hit list, it'll put them in list order. When you hit icon, it'll keep them in your preferred order. If you want to make that bigger, it's right down here. You just grab it and stretch it out. Now, I might have a thumbnail on here that I like or that shows me what the song looks like, but I might not. When you are having either for yourself quick recognition with images or for your students quick recognition with images, because images our brain can process faster than words, if there's an image that doesn't match what you want, check this out. I can open this video and look at how it starts. It has this beautiful color picture that would be easy for anyone, including me, to see. I am going to do Command C as if I am copying. Command C for copy. I close it out. Now I am going to right click, get info. I click over there. See how it's like a wonky QuickTime? I haven't touched anything else. I'm going to do Command V, which is the paste command. And as you saw, it changed it right up there in the thumbnail and it changed it there. So when I close this out, that is now the picture that I'm going to use. When I double click, there it is. And it keeps going. On we go. We do the things. It's awesome. I might have this one where it starts in a different spot. Look at this. See how this is different. And then it does all this cool stuff and it tells you what it's doing, which is fine. But a lot of these musication ones kind of look the same to kids, so I'm gonna pull past it and I'm gonna go like right there. That looks like a good example of Frere Jacques and how the kids are gonna play. So I don't have to move my mouse, but I Command C or copy. I close that guy out, right click, get info, click on that little guy, Command V. There he is. It's already pasted it over there. And you can see that's the actual starting screen for the video. That is the picture that I now have as my thumbnail. You can go ahead and do this with any of them. Here's DJ Ralphie, and he's awesome. The left-right dance, hilarious. Let me get a good face. Oh, there's a good face for him. So I'm gonna, oh, is it called the left-right dance? Then I'm gonna do left, because that'll help kids get just the thumbnail I want. I am pushing my arrow keys to go frame by frame until I get the actual picture that I want. I think I want that one right there. I'm going to Command C to copy it, close that out, right click, get info. Yeah, see, there is the actual initial image and there is the thumbnail. I don't want either of those. I want that one right there. Then my students will be like, oh, the left-right dance. They know exactly what it is because they see, boom, there it is. You might think, how do I know which one's going to capture my students? If you start the video, especially if they've seen it before, and you wait until they all go, yeah, when they realize what video it is, that might be the frame for you. It's a frame that when you look at it, immediately you can tell what it is. For instance, the penguin dance. Oh my goodness, this is not the penguin dance that I thought it was. I have a better penguin dance than this. But I might want to do like, ooh, they look kind of like they're dancing there. So I will copy. I will do my right click. I'll click up there. Beautiful penguin dance, love it. You can also see how these are a nice rectangle and then those have like the YouTube black. That's fine. But my eyeballs don't like that. I like everything to be the same. So I'm gonna change that. I'm not sure where I want this one to be so that students are like, oh yeah, we know that. I might do that one. Because then you can see the whole thing. I don't want the ready on there. So I'm just gonna go back frame by frame till it's gone. Command C or copy. Right click, get info, put there, Command V or paste, boom. So I have one more left. Let's see what the beginning of this guy looks like. Conductor notes. I might, I'll go right there. So perfect, copy. Now you can see it's close to that already. All I did was adjust the video so that the indicator or the conductor was right back there, but I am picky and I don't want those little box marks around there because I like things to look the same. That way you can kind of tell it's different from that one. If there was a bunch that kind of had the same pictures, I would find a different way or a different frame within the video to show it, but that's just me. All right, so if you want to change these icon images, that's how you do it on a Mac. And again, list. You can do it as images. You can make them as big or small as you want to. So that might help you with getting students involved or even your own brain finding things a little faster. Yay, you're welcome. Love you. Go create. Go be amazing.